Life just too short to be doing things that make you unhappy and miserable. If you spend your remaining days do something you not even feel inspired by, then what is sense? Ask yourself. You need to stop doubt yourself. Stop limit yourself. There is more that you can contribute to life than what you contribute right now. There is more to you. Come out of your comfort zone and pursue the thing them with your heart. A few things them you need to go for it and stop remain so complacent like somebody go come and give to you. Me no care who say them no believe in you. It no matter. Enough for your business if they no believe. You believe in yourself and go do the things them you need to do. Stop waiting for people to validate you. Nothing go come to you if you not get up and go for it.